Africa Content TV.
We're about to present a birthday gift to our guest who's here today, Oganla 1. If you are in Akoka and you love Oganla, can you make some noise? If you know you love Pasuma, make some noise! Big shout out to Honorable Dr. Bumi Obakoya for making this happen in Akoka. Tipsy Lounge, tell a friend to tell more friends. 34, Barikinso Yede, any day, anytime. So, Mama, I'll give you the mic to say one or two things.
Mama, and happy birthday for making it happen today. I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you.
Oganla, only came out she be by you. Come and be lost in the motor straight to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Jolly Shalom. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all of us. Hooray! And so say all of us. And so say all of us. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. For he's a jolly good fellow. And so say all. Thank you.